Hi, my name is Erin, and this is my international newsletter on lacrosse. Lacrosse was first played by Native Americans who called it stickball. It was played for recreational purposes as well as a way to toughen up young warriors. It was extremely modified by the Europeans starting in the 1630s. It was an Olympic sport from 1904 to 1908, but was dropped as an official sport and became a part of the World Games ever since. While the rules can vary between leagues and men and women, there are some basic rules such as there are 10 players to each team. 4 of the players must be on the defensive half, 3 of the players must be on the offensive half, and 3 of the other players can go anywhere on the field. There are 4 quarters, each 12 minutes. This game starts with a face-off between 2 players. Only the goalie can touch the ball with their hands. When an opponent has the ball, a player can body or stick check them. And a body check is a contact from the front between the waist and shoulders, and a stick check can be used to knock the ball away from the player. An opponent is not allowed to enter the crease, and the crease is the area around the goalie. And when the ball goes out of the field, the opposing team gets the ball. There are also personal fouls, which can lead to a penalty of 1 to 3 minutes, and after 5 penalties, the player is removed. The type of game lacrosse is a team sport. You can find all the important dates in this timeline, as well as more information on the official site, which is right here. And during this research, I learned that the Native Americans were the ones who introduced this sport. And I also learned that there is an indoor version called box lacrosse. Thank you.